Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Spy. In this lecture, we are going to see how to install Jenkins in AWS server. I have created an instance in AWS server, named it as Jenkins underscore server. You can create this server. I have already shared a video on this, feel free to check it out there. And now, after creation this instance, you need to create a session in MobXterm. After creating the session, come to the root user. Just type sudo su hyphen. It will show you the root user. After showing this, go to the browser and here type Jenkins download. Open the website. In this, there are two types of one is LTS and another is not LTS. You need to go to the LTS latest version. Go to Red Hat Enterprise Linux and derivatives. In this, there are some commands to how to install. You need to select the long-term support release. Now just copy it and come to the MobXterm. Just paste this command. After pasting, it will install the Jenkins. There is one important thing you need to follow here. Installing Jenkins, we need Java. In our new server, we don't have any Java. As you can see, there will be an error named as Java 21 OpenJDK is not found. For that, you need to install Java version 21. I will also tell you how to install the Java 21 version in this lecture. It is same as our previous commands which we have learned. Now just write the command sudo yum install java hyphen 21. It install the version of Java 21 and you can see it is successfully installed. After doing this process, there are some few commands in our browser to execute them. Then just scroll it. You can see we have some commands start Jenkins. Just copy it and paste in your MobXterm. Same you need to do it for two more commands. Just copy and paste it. It will take some time to start. Now Jenkins has been started successfully. After doing this, just go to the EC2 instance, copy the IP address. Before copying, you need to ensure that you have created an security group of port 8080. Now I will create an rule. Now I am going to create an rule. Edit inbound rules. After clicking, just click on add rule. Just keep it as same. You need to change port range 8080. Just save the rules. As you can see, it has been successfully saved and created. Go to your instance and go to your IP address, copy it. Just paste it and type colon 8080. You can see it is asking sign in. Now we have installed Jenkins here. Now we need to create, we have some password for it. So this is the path where we get our password. Just copy this path. Go to your MobXterm. Just we want to view cat and just paste it. Cat means just we will see the password. After seeing this password, you need to copy this, or you can save it in any folder if you wish. Just copy it, come to the browser, paste the password, go to next, install suggested plugins. It will install some default plugins. As you can see, it will install GitHub pipelines and all other things. After this, you need to click on skip and continue as admin and save and finish. Start Jenkins. This is our Jenkins. Now we will create an item. Before creating an item, there is something you need to do. Go to the Manage Jenkins. After going into this, go to the Notes. You can see there is so much of error. Just change config monitors. You need to keep this all into 0. After keeping 0, apply it and save. And come to the dashboard. You can see there is no error. Now click on new item. Now we are going to create a job in Jenkins. Now just I am creating an example, so I will keep it as sample. Click on this project. OK. In description you can give something like hello world or developer, and come to the down. You need to add a build step. That should be a execute shell. Just type echo hello world and apply and save it. After saving, click on build now. You can see it has shown us build scheduled, and you can see it has built successfully. Same we can do it from GitHub. Just come to the status. You can see I have deployed it successfully. Now come to the manage Jenkins once more. Go to your plugins and install plugins. Search for GitHub. You can see I have already installed GitHub plugins by default, so you need not to install any GitHub plugins to do it. Same you can deploy GitHub links in Jenkins, same as creating a job. So we will see it in our next video. Thanks for watching.